This is a 2011 Nissan X-Trail. This whole fascia just clips off, so it should be relatively easy. So if you have some sort of plastic tools, it would be great. If you use a screwdriver, it would probably mark the dash, but if that's all you got, that's all you got. It's just being a bit tricky here. There we go. That just comes out on a bit of an awkward sort of angle. Unplug our connector down here. Sometimes it's good just to use a flat bladed screwdriver in there, if we can get that. Alright, that's unplugged. I need to use two hands. There's 4 screws, one there, one up there, and the same on the other side. So undo those 4 screws. Okay, I've just taken those 4 screws out now. Now it's just a matter of unplugging the connectors for the radio, and then the whole thing is out.